Monday morning is too late to plan your week. If you wait until your alarm goes off on Monday to figure out what you're doing, you've already lost. If you want to dominate the next 7 days, the battle is won on Sunday. Come with me through my Sunday reset routine, the exact system of cleaning, planning, and prepping that saves me 10 hours of stress during the week and makes Monday my favorite day. Welcome back to Take and Grow. Let's talk about the Sunday scaries. You know the feeling. It hits around 4 p.m. on Sunday. The weekend isn't even over yet, but your chest gets tight. The freedom of Saturday is gone, and the obligation of Monday is looming. You start thinking about the emails you didn't answer. You realize you have no clean clothes. You realize the fridge is empty. By the time you wake up on Monday, you are starting the race with a 50-pound weight strapped to your back. You are reactive, stressed, and disorganized. The root cause of this isn't just hating your job. It is decision fatigue. Your brain has a finite amount of decision-making energy each day. If you have to wake up on Monday and decide, what should I wear? What should I eat for breakfast? Where are my keys? What is my first task at work? You have burned 20% of your brain power before you've even sat at your desk. You are setting yourself up for brain fog. I used to live like that. I was a chaotic mess. But then I realized Sunday is not the end of the weekend. It is the launch pad for the week. By dedicating just 2 to 3 hours on Sunday to a specific protocol, what I call the Sunday reset, you can automate your success for the rest of the week. You are essentially doing favors for your future self. Here is the 4-phase reset routine that changed my life. Phase 1 is the physical reset. There is a direct correlation between your environment and your cortisol levels. If your house is chaotic, your mind is chaotic. Visual clutter acts as a constant, low-grade stressor on your nervous system. Step 1. The Power Hour Clean. I don't deep clean the whole house. I don't scrub baseboards. I set a timer for 60 minutes and I focus on flow laundry. I wash all the clothes I need for the week. No hunting for socks on Wednesday morning. This is non-negotiable. Dishes. The sink must be empty. Waking up to dirty dishes on Monday morning is the fastest way to kill your morale. It signals I am behind. The surface sweep. I clear every flat surface. Kitchen counters, dining table, desk. I put things away, not just in piles. When I clear the surfaces, I clear my brain. Step 2. The digital declutter. While the laundry is running, I clear my digital space. Desktop 0. I clear my computer desktop of screenshots and random files. Browser. Tab purge. I close all the tabs on my browser. If it was important, bookmark it. If not, let it go. The downloads folder. Delete, delete, delete. This sends a powerful signal to my brain. We are starting fresh. The slate is clean. The mistakes of last week are gone. Phase 2 is the logistic reset. This is where we buy back our time. We are going to make the dumb decisions now, so we can make the smart decisions later. Step 1. Meal prep, the ingredient method. I don't cook 20 gourmet meals in Tupperware. That's unsustainable and the food gets soggy. I use the ingredient prep method, the rule of 3. I prep 3 proteins, 3 carbs, and 3 veggies. I chop peppers, onions, and cucumbers. I cook a big batch of chicken or tofu. I make a big pot of quinoa or rice. Hard boil 6 eggs for quick energy. Now, during the week, cooking takes 10 minutes instead of 40. I don't have to think about what's for dinner. I just open the fridge and assemble. This saves me money, calories, and massive amounts of willpower. Step 2. The wardrobe lineup. I check the weather for the week. Then, I hang up 5 outfits for Monday through Friday. I check for missing buttons. I check for stains. I steam them if needed. I put them on a separate rack or at the front of the closet. On Wednesday morning, when I'm tired and groggy, I don't have to think. I just grab the Wednesday hanger. It's automated. I look good without trying. Phase 3 is the most important. It is the strategic reset. This is where we kill the anxiety. The anxiety comes from the unknown. It comes from the vague feeling that you are forgetting something. We are going to fix that using a concept called the Zeigarnik effect. The Zeigarnik effect states that your brain remembers unfinished tasks better than finished ones. Your brain will loop on them until they are captured. Step 1. The brain dump. Take a blank sheet of paper. Write down everything that is currently swirling in your head. Email boss about Project X, buy dog food, call mom. Sign permission slip. Get it all out of your brain and onto the paper. The moment you write it down, your brain stops looping on it because it knows it is safe. Step 2. The calendar. Audit. Look at your calendar for the next week. The hard landscape. Where are the meetings? Where are the appointments? The danger zones. Look for days with back-to-back meetings. Plan your easiest meals for those days. Plan your rest for those nights. The big 3. Look at your massive to-do list. Pick only 3 things that must happen this week to make it a success. Not 20 things. 3. Write them on a sticky note and put it on your computer monitor. Now you have clarity. You aren't just busy. You are effective. Once the work is done, usually by 4 p.m. or 5 p.m., I enter the golden hour. This is the boundary. This is where productivity IRA clocks out and human IRA clocks in. If you work right up until bedtime on Sunday, you will burn out. You need a buffer, the ritual, sensory shift. I change the lighting. I turn off the big overhead lights and turn on lamps. I light a candle. Scent is a powerful trigger. Physical shift. I take a long bath or a hot shower. I put on my most comfortable pajamas. This signals to my body, the work is done. You are safe. Input shift. No business books. No news. No social media scrolling. This is the time for fiction, for music, or for connection with family. This prevents revenge bedtime procrastination. That thing where you stay up late scrolling because you feel like you didn't get enough me time over the weekend. The golden hour is your me time. Going to bed on Sunday night with a clean house, prepped meals, a planned schedule, and a relaxed body is the ultimate hack for success. You wake up on Monday feeling like a CEO, not a victim. You don't need more discipline on Monday. You need better preparation on Sunday. Systems beat willpower every single time. If you want to change your life, don't try to change your personality. Change your Sunday. If you found this routine helpful, hit that like button. It helps us reach more people who are tired of starting the week stressed. And if you are ready to master your lifestyle and build habits that stick, subscribe to Take and Grow. I have a challenge for you. You don't have to do the whole routine this week. I want you to do just one part of this reset. Maybe just the brain dump, maybe just the surface sweep. Tell me in the comments, what is the one thing you hate doing most on Monday morning? For me, it was finding clothes. Let's solve it together. Thank you for watching. Reset your Sunday. Win your week.